Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is that you'll be watching this from or listening from. This is your one and only Woli Eleha. Yes, so Woli Eleha, Woli Eric Pimi. And I'm back again today with another episode in our series, The Secrets That Your Pastors Won't Tell You. Now, this one is very important, and I promised you already that as I get the revelations, okay, as I'm told, whatever I'm told is what I'm going to tell you. I wouldn't just speak out of my own imagination, no, and you'll be able to verify, okay? Now, this particular one, like I said, it's a secret that your pastors won't tell you. And it's not just your pastors, okay? It also is your imam, your alpha, your babalawo, your baba, anybody that's your spiritual leader, that you, in whatever religion that you subscribe to. This particular one, I'm sure some of you would have thought about it like maybe once in your lifetime anyway. I want to tell you that there are some of your pastors that wear rings. There are some of your imams that wear rings. And even though you like to believe that the rings are cosmetic or they are fashion in value, they are not fashion rings. Some of these rings, I'm not saying all of them, and I'm not saying most because I can only say some. I can only say some. They're not even talismanic rings. Now, it's different when you have like inscriptions on your ring or whatever, because you can, like my own wedding ring, for instance, it has inscriptions on it. Okay, my wedding ring has inscriptions on it. My wedding ring has work that I did on that ring, or those rings self, because I have my engagement ring on my wedding ring. Okay, so my rings, they have work that I've done on them for protection and also for my marriage, okay, and for the love life, for my love life in general. Okay, so that's different. We have those kind of rings. I sell spiritual purpose rings. Like there's one that I have, very powerful one, that is for those who are not able to retain money. Okay, you're always spending. So those ones are different. This category of rings I'm talking about, they are actually a means to trap some jinn. We call them jinn. Yoruba call them anjonu. We call them jinn. They are spirit beings, but they are able and they are happy to be enslaved by humans to carry out certain things, but they will collect some things in return from those humans. When these people want to use those jinn, they can give them their hair, they can give them their nail, maybe their fingernail or their toenail. They can give them some of their blood. They can give them some of their body fluid. Okay, you know what I mean by body fluid. And then when they do that, they will now trap that jinn into that ring. And that ring, they will now be touching your head with that ring. They'll not be saying that they're doing this and that with that ring. Meanwhile, it's the jinn, or maybe even a legion of jinn that are in that ring. Not all the rings you see on their fingers are fashion rings. Some of the rings is actually jinn that they trapped inside. So I want to encourage you, if you do not know the background of whoever you are following, you do not know their pedigree, their spiritual pedigree, be careful. Especially don't allow anybody to use their hand to touch your head. It can be very dangerous. I know a lot of people, they will say, touch me, touch me. They believe in touch, touch, touch. I am here to tell you that even without being touched by anybody, you can receive your blessing, you can receive your miracle, you can testify, even without being touched by anybody. Be careful how you go under people, especially those that are wearing rings, you will see them, they are wearing rings on both hands, right and left. Some is only left, some is only right. Not all of them are just ordinary. Not all are spiritual. Some are jinn. There's a difference between maybe your talisman or your amulets, and that are for certain things, maybe for your protection or for favor, whatever. These ones, they are used to trap the jinn that is working for them. Okay, they trap them in. Some even use it through other means, but I only have grace to tell you about the one that they trap inside the ring, because I've seen so many people on TV, I've seen them online, and I don't want to talk. It was that day that Malika said, see this one, see that one, and then go and tell your people that these things exist. Okay, so have a wonderful day. I didn't come here to pray or anything. I just wanted to just record this one live because I'm going to drop it off also on YouTube. Have a wonderful day. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so you can see other videos that I've put out there. It's deep information. It's not just about soap and oil and whatever. It's deep info that you yourself will know that, yeah, this thing is real. This thing is true. Because people perish for what? Lack of knowledge. Okay, and we know that knowledge is power, and when we even apply it, it is even more power. Okay, bye for now till I come your way tomorrow. God bless you. Amen.